How to create and verify Alipay account. So if you want to create and verify on Alipay account or Alipay application, then first you need to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've installed, you need to simply open up the application. And once you tap on open, here you will have this kind of interface. You need to simply enter your country code and then you need to enter your phone number. And once you've entered, tap on next and then tap on agree. And here again tap on agree and you will receive a verification code to the mobile number that you have just entered. So you need to simply copy the verification code and paste that here or enter the code here. And once you've verified, now you can select your country or your region or your ID and tap on next, and that's it. That's how you can create your Alipay account. And now you can simply go for the account, which is on the bottom right, and here you will have your account. And here you can go for the upper right, which has that settings icon. And now tap on account and security, which is on the first option, and then it will take you to the security settings. And from here you will have your mobile number, your email address, and every login password, login method, and unlock settings, right? So from here you will have identify information or identity information. You can simply tap on that identity information which says verify now. Tap on that, and from here you can verify. So you need to enter your country or region and then your passport or the document type. You can simply choose anyone like your passport or your foreign permit resident ID card, and then you can enter your passport number or your full name on your passport, and then your gender, your date of birth, and your passport expiry date. So once you fill in all of these ID information, you need to simply tap on submit. And once you tap on submit, your account will be verified. And that's how you can create and verify your Alipay account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.